So today I'm going to be showing you around Visily. I'm going to show you the different parts of your workspace on Visily. So just like I said, this is your workspace. This is where you're going to be doing most of the work. And I'm just going to start from my left hand side. So basically we have three tabs here. We have the library, we have the icons tab. So the library is where you basically have all the components that you use in your designs. From components as small as buttons to whole sections like cards, forms and dialogues, menus. You also have your icons, so there are different type of icons here. You can see a whole lot of icons, so you can actually search for any icon you're looking for, and then you jump into you use your icons. Then you have the saved tab. So say for instance you use a particular component or icon frequently, you can save it and then it appears here. So that's what this panel is for. Now on my right hand side we have the navigator panel. So the navigator panel is just like your layers. It shows you all the layers you have on your screen, and you can see on my login screen I have all of these layers. You can see other screens. Then the next one is the inspection panel. So this is actually for developers when you want to hand over to your developer. When I pick on any component, it shows me codes for that. You can see that here. And the next one is the theme. So I talked about earlier when I talked about like a style guide for your project. So today I'm going to be diving more into that. So in the theme you can actually edit your theme, and then you have the colors, you have the typography, you have the spacing, you have the shadow for your cards, you have the border radius, and you have your icon sets. So on the first tab there, which is the colors, you can actually choose from variety of colors. You can change any color that you want, choose the kind of color you want, or you can actually choose from a palette, pre-made palette by Visily, which is actually a good way to go to. Then also you can choose your semantic colors and also edit your gray color sets. Then on the font aspect, you can choose your header font. So this will be used for all of your headings. You can pick from a variety of fonts, and also your body fonts. You can see that. So this will be used for your paragraph, links, buttons, and the rest of them. Then your sizing. So the sizing is it's talking about the spacing for your elements. So do you want it to be small? So Visily just gives some sort of range. So you have small, you have the medium, you have large, and also for the spacing you can have spacious or compact depending on how you like it, but I just like to leave them at default. Then also the shadow. So the shadow are for your cards. You have very high shadow and you have flats. So I'm just going to zoom in so that we can see the effect of that. This is flat, this is very high. So you can see the improvement in this area. Then also your shadow opacity. Do you want it very heavy? You can see this, or you want it very light. You can see the effects here. So so you can just adjust it as you like. Then also you have the border radius. Do you want it square? You can see my radius is square, or you want it rounded, so you can see that. And then we also have the icons. So earlier on we chose first for icons. You can decide to change to other icon sets, say material icons, field, and apply. So when you apply it, it changes your icons in the entire project, so you don't need to be doing that one by one. So that's that for the theme project. And then the next one is your prototype. So your prototype is actually where you make your interactions. So I have some prototypes here. I'm just going to show you. So you to make a prototype, just like every other design tool that we have, you click on a component, you drag the arrow to wherever screen you want it to be. So I'm just going to do that. And then also you click on, let's say we click on this, and drag it also to this particular screen. So basically your components, so basically your prototype, you can prototype whatever you want on this particular screen, and then when you're done you click on present to kind of see what you've done. So you can see that when I click on sign up, it takes me into that page. So let me also do this so you can see that's what your prototype is for. And then I'm going back to my former screen. I can exit the prototyping mode by clicking on this exit icon here. Go back to my original mode. So there's some also other interesting parts of your workspace, and one thing I like about it is the design assistant. So it shows you where there are color issues, where there are icon set issues or ignore issues. So color issue, like say probably a color doesn't meet the accessibility standards, that means the colors are not contrasting enough. It's going to show you that. So you have to enable that to for you to let you know, okay, these colors are not they're not meeting accessibility standards, and you have to do something about it. Also with your icon set issues, say for instance you have two different types of icons, it's going to show you that, and then you can actually manage all of that. Then also you can search for shortcuts. Visily has a lot of shortcuts to help you work faster. You can also add comments. Say you want to say get this sorted, you add comments to your screens so that you can communicate with your developers, and you can see the comment has been added. Then also to move out of the comment mode, you have to disable it from here. Then you can also share. You can export your design, export as PNG format, JPEG or PDF. You can export different screens or select the particular screens you want and then export. Then also you can share. You can invite collaborators to work on this particular project with you. You just enter in the email or you copy the link and share to them. I hope I've been able to walk you around Visily, and I hope that you get to try the tool and that you share your feedback with me. Thank you for listening.